right to require the state to prove the charges by proof beyond a reasonable doubt, and the right to appeal a conviction at trial to a higher court and have an attorney assist you with that appeal. You understand that you're giving up those rights here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is a non-negotiated plea again, Ms. Schindley. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Schindley, do you understand that this is a non-negotiated plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
As to the charges, Mr. Schindley, criminal attempt to commit a felony in count 1, cruelty to children in the first degree in count 2, cruelty to children in the first degree in count 3, aggravated battery in count 4, cruelty to children in the first degree in count 5, cruelty to children in the first degree in count 6, battery under family violence in count 7, false imprisonment in count 8, and false imprisonment in count 9. How do you plead?
Guilty, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
It's either guilty or not guilty.
Yeah, guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily with a full understanding of the charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it your own decision to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Schindley, as to the charges in count 1, criminal attempt to commit a felony, count 2, cruelty to children in the first degree, count 3, cruelty to children in the first degree, count 4, aggravated battery, count 5, cruelty to children in the first degree, count 6, cruelty to children in the first degree, count 7, battery under family violence, count 8, false imprisonment, count 9, false imprisonment, count 10, aggravated assault, count 11, aggravated assault, and count 12, aggravated assault. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily with a full understanding of the charges?
Yes.
Is it your own decision to plead guilty?
Yes.
Well, I find that the pleas from Mr. Schindley and Ms. Schindley have been freely and voluntarily entered with a knowing waiver of rights. I further find that there's a sufficient factual basis from the testimony and evidence that's been presented and the state's proffer of evidence for the court to accept a guilty plea in this matter. We will withhold sentencing in this matter until 1 p.m. today, at which time the state may present any victim impact testimony that they wish to present, and the Schindleys can present any evidence at that time as to mitigation if they choose to do so. All right. I'm going to release the jury until 1 p.m. And have them return at that time. They'll be placed in the jury holding room until after this plea is entered in its entirety.
Right.
All right.
Thank you,
We'll
Judge.
be in recess till 1 p.m.
Thank you, Judge.
It's my understanding.
Yeah.
Keep him here. I want them seated at the table when I bring this jury out, and I'm going to tell the jury that we have some matters we need to address. Will you bring the jurors out, please? appreciate your promptness in being here this morning. Rest assured that we have been taking up matters while you've been in the jury room. There's some further matters that I must take up outside of your presence this morning, and I'm not going to have you remain in the jury room at this time. I'm going to release you until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Be back in this courtroom and report to the bailiffs at 1 p.m. During this time, do not conduct any independent research about this case. Don't discuss this case with anyone. Don't speak about this case amongst yourselves or with family members, friends, or coworkers, or allow them to speak with you about this case. Keep wearing your juror badge when you come back at 1 p.m. Leave your jury notebooks in your seats, and they'll be collected by the bailiffs. Grab your personal belongings if you have any in the back, and we'll see you back here at 1 p.m. Everyone remain in this courtroom until this jury's left the courtroom. Clear. All right. Help me see it. Any matters we need to take up from today?
No, Judge, and my apologies for losing my composure.
That's no apology necessary.
Judge, one thing we are going to, Ethan Tyler Schindley is a named victim in the indictment, obviously. We weren't flying him in until Monday afternoon. Do we have the capacity to Zoom him in?
WebEx.
Is it WebEx or Zoom?
Yeah,
Okay.
Ms. Bird will provide the WebEx information to the state and set up a meeting this morning on WebEx for that time, and y'all can provide that information to him.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Anything we need to do, take up from the defense?
No, Judge.
All right, we'll be in recess to 1 p.m.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Y'all want to talk to them and see if we can kind of eliminate some Yeah. I mean, they can still get the same number of years.
Right.
Just it eliminates the issue.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I understand.
You got your first opening done. We have made progress in your legal career.
This was the wrong type of professional.
I think they should have played before it started though. They ain't gonna get it. They gonna.
You gonna pick your jury now?